In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage your DNS settings on Wix, which is crucial for anyone wanting to customize their domain and improve their website's functionality. If you're new to website management, don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you're comfortable and confident as you explore your Wix dashboard. Let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Open up your preferred web browser. I'll be using Chrome for this demonstration. Navigating to the Wix website, you'll find a login button at the top right corner. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. Typically, this involves inputting your registered email address and password. After successfully logging in, you're welcomed with the Wix dashboard, the central hub for all your website management needs. Once on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through it and locate the option labeled Domains. This section is where all things related to your website's domain come together, making it a vital tool for your online presence. With a simple click, you'll enter a space that lists all the domains linked to your Wix account. Now, you'll see the domains that you manage. Browse through this list and select the domain you want to work with. Selecting a domain is as easy as clicking on its name. This will take you into the details of that specific domain, where you can further fine-tune its settings according to your requirements. As you navigate through your domain's details, look for the option that says Advanced DNS Settings. Clicking on this option is your gateway to viewing and managing your DNS records. Understanding your DNS settings is essential, especially if you're keen on customizing aspects like email settings or redirecting traffic. Here, you can view all the DNS records associated with your domain. The records you'll want to pay attention to include A records, CNAME records, and MX records. Each of these plays a distinct role in how your website and associated services function. For example, A records determine the IP address that your domain points to, while CNAME records are useful for pointing subdomains to other domains. MX records, on the other hand, are critical if you're managing email within your domain, as they direct the mail to the correct server. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to copy these DNS records. Keeping a copy can be incredibly helpful for future reference, or if you need to share them with a technical support team for troubleshooting issues. Simply select each record, copy it, and store it in a secure document or note-taking app. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to access and manage your DNS settings within Wix. By taking control of your DNS records, you're better prepared to ensure your site's smooth operation and make any necessary changes with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on optimizing your Wix website.